Good afternoon and welcome. Time for a little dinner here. It's a low-mile meal. It was all cooked on the old wood cook stove there behind me. Just burning some scrap wood and some fallen branches out in the lawn. We cleaned up. We have our rye bread, black rye bread with sunflower seeds. This isn't the American version. This is the real thing, rye bread with homemade butter. We have us chicken soup, an old stewing hen. There's some sweet maize in there, and we got in the garden. Everything in here is from the garden. We got some tomatoes, Thai chili peppers, bell pepper, celery, onions, garlic, sponge gourd, okra, just whatever vegetables we got around here. We put a little bit of this and that in there. And tell you what, just doesn't get much better than this. Wish you all were here. Have a bowl. Food just doesn't get much better than when you raise it yourself and make it yourself, and you know what's in it. You know how it's all been taken care of. So, with that, I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Go out there, get your hands dirty, be safe, try something new, and above all, keep growing.